Everybody, our topic today is concept maps. Concept maps are essentially a graphic organizer that is used to help students, everybody, anybody really, to organize their thoughts or ideas or um, just it's a visual to show how things are related to each other, how concepts fit together. They're a great tool for school use. The National Science and Teaching Association says that the concept maps help both teachers and students understand what is going on in the lesson. The teacher can use it at the end of the lesson to see what the students are retaining, or their understanding of the actual lesson, and the students can use it during the lesson to help organize their thoughts about what is actually going on in the lesson. Um, as far as age groups, if you look at this one here with the animals, the younger students, no, this is not necessarily a concept map per se, but if you use pictures instead of words when you're trying to help the little ones understand a concept, it's easier for them to understand. Where the other one, which is the words, is primarily how they are used. In the world of language arts, you can use them for creative writing. The students can put their main topic in the center, and then they can branch out to different ideas that they have for their story, and then they can break out little more subcategories, and ultimately they end up with a web that is an organization of their thoughts. Overall, it's just a general good thing to utilize in your classroom to help students and teachers in all different ways. Thank you.